Hello and welcome back to the 10,000 giveaway subscriber Kiridashi for the Instagram giveaway. Why is this title so long? So, no matter how long the title is, welcome back. If you haven't seen number 1, the forging process, go back, I'll link it. I think it should be up here somewhere. I'll link it up there. Go and watch the video. It's also down in the pinned comment and in the description, I guess. Nothing more to say. Turn on the heat treating oven and go down grinding. Today we gonna do a small little video. Just get this blank, as you seen on the last video, to this shape, heat treat it, and then maybe do some grinding. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. This knife is heating up in the heat treating oven. It's time to thank our sponsor. So we are starting with today's sponsor. Yes, actually a company was stupid enough to pay me as a sponsor. My favorite energy drink, Red Bull. Beautiful Red Bull. What you mean? What you mean Red Bull said no? What is our sponsor? So our sponsor for this episode is Knifematerial.at. Your dealership for all G10 and other knife material needs, like Apex Ultra or this G10 or this G10 or this G10 or this ugly piece of shit. What you mean I can't insult my dealer, the sponsor of this episode? Please order your G10 and all your material needs on www.knifematerial.at. Keith is the best. And thank you for sponsoring this video. And also we would like to see other happy customers like Chris from Forge Works.
Haven't seen you there. Yes, G10 has ruined my life.
Well, let's see on my new apprentice how he is doing with his G10 needs. Johannes? Johannes? Oh, there you are. Johannes, you want some G10? Oh, okay. Knifematerial.at, your perfect G10, buy your G10 at knifematerial.at. Get your G10, get all the other materials like Apex Ultra or Scalex or a ton of pins and wood. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Link in the description. So what you wonder right now, what we've done, we brought the steel up to heat treating temperature, that's 820 degrees Celsius, 1500 for Fahrenheit. And we had it at a whole temperature of about 10 to 15 minutes, more like 15 minutes for a size like this. And then we quenched it in oil. It's a heat treating oil, it's a Durexol W25, pretty common heat treating oil. And now we're tempering it at 190 degrees Celsius, that's 375 freedom unit, for around 2 to 3 hours to have a hard but still like more flexible blade, because we don't want it to break. Rather have it like 1 HRC less, but don't have it to break. So thank you for watching the second part of the video of the Wakizashi giveaway. If you're happy with the videos, leave a comment, leave a like, and do everything the other YouTubers tell you to do. And maybe consider subscribing because, well, it would be pretty nice of you. Pretty nice of you. Thanks for watching. See you in part 3.